Yo guys, what is up? My name is Jeremy, or the Cactus Man 123, and I'm back at it again with another awesome video for you guys. So today, as you might see, we're going fishing. Me and my buddy Patrick, my cousin. We're going to this little pond by the house. We're not expecting to catch anything big, just a little bluegill, like little tiny fish. I'm not like super good at fishing or anything. I just want to have some fun, and I might as well film it. We're just using worms. Nothing serious, but yeah, let's just get going. Yo guys, my camera is like not focusing at all. There we go. Patrick's carrying all the stuff. But I want you guys just to admire this car, this Ford ST right here. This is like my dream car right here. Not my dream car, but like my realistic dream car. It is so nice, guys. Super nice car. I don't know about you guys, but I love to have that car. This kid though, no matter what kind of car it is, if it says Ford on the back, he's like, nah. Yo, that you gotta admit, that's a nice car.
To some people, like it looks nice. I wouldn't drive it though.
Yo guys, he doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. That's a nice car. But yeah, we're almost at the spot. It's like right over there. Come on, camera, you can do it. Well, anyway, the autofocus on this camera is terrible, but it's like over yonder. But we'll talk to you guys when we get there, I guess. So yeah. Alright guys, here we are. Here's the location. I don't know if you guys can see that down there. There's Patrick being a complete idiot. You know, because that's what he's about. But yeah guys, look at that. It's really nice. It's pretty small, but it's really pretty. And it's pretty secluded. Like, I know there's like a road right there, but it's pretty like down far. And the only reason I really go to it is just because they have like, it's really close to my house, and even though there's like only like a little bluegill, it's still pretty fun. Let's see, what time is it? It is 8:33 p.m. right now. Just getting here. We're probably gonna fish till like 10:30, something like that. But yeah, guys, check this place out. It's pretty nice. Dang, the autofocus on this camera is like terrible. But yeah, that's it. So we'll update you guys if we catch anything or anything like that. We're probably gonna switch to the GoPro now, so that'll be cool. But yeah, off to the GoPro. How those worms looking, bro?
Freaking terrible.
Well, they've definitely been sitting in our fridge for like, what is happening over there?
The dog.
That's not good.
And it's pit bull.
That dog looks like it's gone free. Obviously, we're not alone here. But yeah, we're gonna hook these worms on and get casting, but I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. So, see you guys on the GoPro side of things. Guys, now that we got the GoPro on, got my rod all set up. Going to get this first cast. Hopefully it's not too dark for you guys to see. I did bring a headlamp, but I don't think I need it quite yet. Let's get this first cast going. We're not going to cast very far because, one, you don't need to in this pond, and two, we don't have weights on, so that's all we need. I have no idea if you guys can see where the bobber's at. I doubt it, because I can't even see where my bobber's at. But yeah, guys, we'll catch up when we get our first bite.
You should. Holy fucking nuts.
What's going on YouTube, bro? Oh, that's funny.
That was heavier than all the fish we caught yesterday.
Oh yeah, we came here yesterday. We tried to catch some fish. We caught 7. We think we fished this whole pond out. Hopefully we didn't. We're trying to catch some fish tonight. What do you think? You think we're gonna catch anything?
Maybe 3 or 4 if we're lucky.
The words of a wise man. Dang. Even if we don't, it sure is pretty out here.
Oh yeah. I'd be happy to catch one each.
Getting bites. I'm a little hesitant to set the hook because I think they're just nibbles. I don't know if you guys can see my bobber. No, I lost him. Fortunately, they were just nibbles, but they took half my worm. That's nice. All right, let's get another cast going here. All right, hopefully we have better luck this time. See, as soon as I cast it out, I just got a couple nibbles, but like I said, I was a little hesitant to set the hook. But we'll see if we can get something better this time. See, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're definitely nibbling on my bobber. No question. Oh, I'm on. Yep. Oh, I think I lost him. Oh, no. Oh, no, I caught a little guy right there. Dang, that is just about the smallest fish I've ever seen. Look at this guy.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you guys, how well you guys can see that.
Oh, shit.
What?
Did we bring the pliers?
Yeah, I think so. Wet my hand real quick.
Keep them in there. Let me look for it.
Ah. Oh, this guy's all caught up in the line here. Yeah, I definitely need the pliers.
Alright, I'm looking.
Look at that little guy. Whoa, feisty one. Give him the water. Hold on, bro. Are they in there?
Well, these are in here.
Yeah, bring those. Don't throw them, just bring them.
Could you use them?
Probably. Here, I need a weapon.
Pliers.
Yeah, just keep looking for them.
Dip them in. Keep them alive.
Yeah, I'm gonna need the pliers, bro. Alright, hold on, little dude. This is what being unprepared looks like. Take notes. There we go.
Here.
Hold on, little dude.
You need light?
Yeah. Oh, he swallowed it.
He did. Dip him.
Hold on. Here, lower it. Okay. Man, this fish is so small that
Hard to get it out.
hold on, little dude.
See ya.
Oh, we're gonna go try.
Oh.
We're gonna try a couple of spots where
We just got one.
Oh, did it? Nice.
It's about a fourth. Yeah.
Check it out.
Here, dip him. You got it. Didn't you? Dip him. Dip him.
He's gonna swim away.
They don't stick anybody. Hurry up.
If you guys want to see him, you gotta hurry. He's been out of the water for a little bit.
Pretty cool, huh?
Super small.
Ooh, yeah, that's small.
Yeah,
but
I'm gonna put him back in now. He's been out for a while. Come on, dude.
Pretty cool, huh?
He's alive.
Did he go? No, he's not. Come on.
He's moving.
There we go.
All right, he's still alive. Good.
Here, let me see the rod.
that's good.
Get him going.
All right.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Yep.
That's the biggest thing is just to figure out how to cast, you know?
Yeah.
That's
And
the-
setting the hook. That was the biggest thing for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's going to be a whole nother...
Yeah, casting,
Yep.
setting the hook, that's
Yeah.
the hardest thing. All right, have fun. Thank you.
Well, that was exciting, I guess. If you want to call a 3-inch fish exciting.
Hey, we got one.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys when we get another bite or something. That's interesting. Okay. All right, I'm gonna cast out again, guys. It's been a couple minutes since I caught the last fish, but let's catch another one. I have no idea where I just casted. Right into the muck. Wonderful. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, we can't cast very far at all because we don't have weights on. But yeah, let's get some bites or something. Guys, so we've been out here for like 30-40 minutes. It's getting pretty dark. We're gonna stay for a little bit longer. We've had literally no more activity besides that one fish. So I know that you guys probably can't see anything right now. It's really dark. I don't know if you guys can. But we're literally not catching anything. I don't even know where that... See, I can't even see my bobber. It's so dark. I don't know how dark it is on the camera, but... Yeah, guys, we're going to be heading out pretty soon. We'll stay another 30-40 more minutes, but... Yeah, not much activity tonight, unfortunately, but we'll keep fishing for a little bit and update you guys if anything happens. But yeah, it's really nice out tonight, though. That's for sure. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Kind of got a janky light setup, but we're heading out. It's super dark. It's like, what, 9:30, 10,
Yeah.
something like that. So we're going to head out, but we will come back tomorrow morning for a part 2, so stay tuned for that. No activity. We just got that one fish and a couple bites, but that's about it. But we'll see you guys tomorrow for part 2. Alright guys, we are back. It is the next day. It is about 5 o'clock in the morning right now. As you can see, it's pretty dark. It's a lot darker than it actually is in the camera. It looks brighter in the camera, but today we're gonna go back to the pond and go try to catch some more fish. Last night it just got too dark and we were pretty tired, so we just bailed. But hopefully we have more luck today, so see you guys at the pond. Yo guys, what's up? So we're at the pond. You guys can barely see me because it's like just at sunrise. But we're at the pond with Patrick again. And here's, I'll give you guys a look. I don't know how well you can see that. Here, I'll stand still, let it focus. There we go. But yeah guys, we're heading down. Hopefully we catch some more fish. But I'd say now is a good time to switch on over to the GoPro, so I'll see you on the GoPro side of things. Alright, here we go guys, first cast. Nice and still lake. It is a bit windy though, so that was a pathetic cast. But we didn't bring weights again. But really, in this pond, that's about just all you need to get on. Dodge that muck. What's up? The end of the line you put through the loop, yes. See if this cast can be a little bit better. Nope. Barely. Barely. We'll leave it out there for a sec. See if we get any bites. That's what you're supposed to do.
What?
That's what you're supposed to do.
The swivel?
Yeah.
And then you put the bobber on.
Yeah, put the bobber on above the swivel.
How the fuck do you put the bobber on?
So you see how the
Yeah, you push it up
push it up and then you put it over the line.
over the line.
Yeah.
How far up?
Doesn't matter. It will slide anyway.
Okay, now the hook.
So get about a little longer than an arm's length. Oh, fish on. Oh, never mind. Not on anymore. I think,
Stay the arm's length on new line.
yeah. Second cast. Been sitting here for about 5 minutes, no bites. That area right there too, where my bobber's at, is genuinely considered a hot spot for fish, I guess you'd call it. We get the most bites and catches from that area, so this is kind of surprising. Usually there'd be something. Just saw a little jump over there. I don't know if you guys could see that on the GoPro. There was a small jump to the top left of my bobber. Hopefully we get some bites pretty shortly here. But the sun's about risen. It's pretty light out now. This goofball is still trying to set up his rod.
No, I thought you broke it.
He's not wrong, I did break it. But still, beautiful day out. We'll catch up with you guys when we get a bite. Fish on. Nope, I lost him. Definitely was getting some solid bites though. Didn't quite set the hook. I tried to wait to start the GoPro, but definitely some solid bites there just happened. I don't know if you guys saw that. You probably didn't. Oh, looks like. Did I get something? Just some weeds. Wonderful. Definitely got some solid bites there for a second. Look at that. My worm's completely covered. That's a problem, actually. Get this weeds off. Didn't quite set the hook, unfortunately. Definitely some activity, though. No question about it. And the worm's still alive. Wonderful. But yeah, no question, that was definitely some decent bites on there. Alright, we'll cast out again in that same area. Here, this can go a little bit lower down. Okay. But yeah, guys, that was some activity. First bite of the day. See if we can't get another one. Same area. I'll leave the GoPro on for a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see my bobber, but oh, already getting nibbles. As soon as I cast it in. Let's see if we can't set the hook on one of these guys. Just heard a jump over there. Oh, fish on. Yep, got one. See if this one isn't any bigger. Nope. Let me rinse off my hand. Oh, almost slipped. That could have been fatal. Get my hand all wet. Whoa. Gotta be careful about these fins on these guys. As you can see, they're completely erect on there. Whoa. Flopping out of my hands. Gotta be really careful with these guys, because they will cut you. Alright, let's see if we can't get this hook out. Whoa. Really? Nah, he's good. Oh, it's a feisty one, this one. Just pull this hook out real quick.
Isn't that how you like them?
This guy was hooked in a pretty bad spot. I don't know if you guys can see that. Small, little, tiny little bluegill. We'll put him back. And off he goes. First catch of the day. And this kid needs my help. Alright, I'll catch up with you guys when I'm casting out again. Go, casting out again. Oh, that was terrible, but we'll see if we get any nibbles. Unfortunately, when you have no weight, you can't really cast out very far. Whoa! I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was a massive jump over there. Over in that direction. I don't know how wide the GoPro's view is, but that was pretty huge just there. The fish are definitely feeding right now. I'm actually going to try to cast over there. Just try to get the hook out of the water before catching on the muck, so I can just catch on these weeds. How fun. Wonderful. Again. I think I'm going to go for more like out there where that jump was. Or not, or in the exact same spot. That works too. We'll see if we can't get any nibbles on this in this area right here. Some geese over there making a whole lot of noise. The breeze is definitely starting to pick up. I don't know if it's gonna be like this the whole day, but as you guys, I don't know if you guys can see over there. You can definitely see the current working from the breeze. A little baby duck right there. Oh wow, you finally got your rod set up? That baby duck is pretty cute though, you have to admit. So far no bites yet. Tell me that was a like a duck or something. What was that? Now you're urinating in the public face of like 5 people who are walking. Right there. But anyway, before I was loudly and rudely interrupted, I was gonna say there's not much happening here. After that one fish, things pretty much just became dead. Oh, as I get a bite. Hold on. The sun's literally shining right in my eyes. You troll it, troll it. Control it. Doesn't seem like there's anything out here, really. This leader's way too big. But what can you expect when you don't set up the rod yourself? Oh, it's biting. You just need it to really bite. No, because then I'm going to have to get it out, and it's going to take 2 hours. Don't swallow it. Wow, you're funny, bro. Nope, because I'm on. Got it. Is my thing recording? I think it is. Look at that, guys. Yo, is my GoPro on?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Get in the water. Can already tell this is going to be a feisty one. What the hands? Alright, hold on, little dude. Hold yourself together. There we go.
Need the pliers?
I don't know. Let's see. At least his fins aren't out like the other one. Yeah, there's so much worm I can't even
See the
find where
hook?
the hook is. Surprised these hooks don't go in their brains.
Same. This one, we're eating this one, right?
Hmm?
We're eating that one, right?
I don't know, it is the biggest one. You see that?
No, it's not the biggest one.
I don't know.
Let me see. Medium. Dude, that's like a rainbow.
There's no such thing as a rainbow bluegill. Alright, little dude, you're off. Yeah, it's different. Yep. Oh! Yep. Dude, there was so much worm on there, I couldn't even, like, see what I was doing. Oh, already on. Yo, let's go. Okay, as soon as I cast, alright. That works too.
No fucking way. Dude, that's the same one?
Nah, bruh. Nah.
You don't think so?
Nah. Dude, that would be I just totally tangled this thing. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Nah, bro, this one's too feisty.
Well, if you got hooked twice, wouldn't you be feisty?
Well, this isn't the same one, though.
Or shizzle. My nizzle. Extra salt on the grizzle. Like the peppermint. Dude, I need a cast. What am I doing right now?
No, it's definitely not the same one. This one's way more green.
Dude, they're starting to come out. Oh. Wow.
Check that one out, guys. Check that one out for size. Alright, little dude. Oh! Did you see that? Dude, when I threw him in, he freaking jumped out of the water. That was crazy.
I really hope he doesn't take this one. I'll feel bad, you know?
Dude, it wasn't the same fish. Dude, we can rewind it in the video. That one was way more green.
I know that it wasn't the same fish, but if I caught him again, I would be...
Yo, this already bites. Yo, you gotta catch up, bro. What am I at? 3?
No one's aware.
No, no one is. Dang it. Thought I had him.
Dude, if this fish keeps on following me...
Bro, I'm telling you. It's a lost cause, my dude. Did you catch any last night? Think I can catch one that close to the shore?
What?
Think I can catch one that close to the shore?
Yeah, easy.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
What the?
Dude, that's a small one, bro. Yo. Look at how small that puppy is. Wow, that's feisty. Yo, he's a feisty one, bro. Okay. Hold on, bro. Hold the phone. Please don't cut me with your fins. I would appreciate it. Ow.
Ow.
Bruh, chill. Dang. Dang, this hook's really up in there. Come on. Get out of there.
That's just one.
There we go. Get a good look at that one. Yep. Off he goes.
Like 11 for you now or something?
Well, that's 4 for today.
And you caught 6 the other day. Yeah.
So that's 10.
11.
And then 11 total. But just to clarify for the video, we didn't catch 6 on the video. We caught 6 the day before we started filming, so yeah. Still pretty cool though. I guess we really didn't need to come that early. What time is it right now?
7. Almost 7.
Yo, what happened here? Is it 7?
Something like that.
Can you check though? Because I just want to know what the prime time is in the morning.
6:30.
6:30 right now? The funny part was like, do you think I can catch a fish from the shore? And then boom, right then. Yo, this is gonna be like a 30-minute video. Already getting bites. Wow, dude, pro cast.
No, that's.
I've literally never seen a cast better than that in my life.
No, I'm trying to catch the small little fish.
Oh, okay.
No, you lost.
Already getting
You
bites.
lost him.
Totally, like, misjudged that set right there. See if I can't catch that same exact fish.
What are my odds catching a fish right there, do you think?
Pretty high, dude. I've been catching my fish right there. Okay. Oh! Lost him. Did you hear that? Like, little,
But no.
yeah. Setting the hook, guys, is, debatably one of the most important parts of fishing to me. Because that literally determines, like, if the fish is coming in or not. But like I said, I don't know, like, too much about fishing. I'm not, like, great at it, but, like, I do know that, setting the hook is very important. Wouldn't you agree with that?
Yep. For sure. Because you can't set the hook, you can't catch the fish.
Well said. All this gunk, like, there one thing I have to complain about this pond, even though it spits out bluegill literally like every 10 minutes, is that there's a lot of algae and gunk in it because it's not too well tended to. So we're at a halt for about an hour. We didn't get any bites or catch anything, and now I'm getting bites pretty good right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, yep. Try to hook it. Oh, failed. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, I was casted way out into the middle of the pond, and I just sat there for what, like 40 minutes, you'd say?
Yeah.
And I didn't get a single bite. Now, just working with the shallow water, I'm getting all kinds of bites. It's kind of weird how it works like that. But let's see if we can't catch this fish. Now he's nibbling. Might just be like little tiny baby fish just nibbling on it. Hopefully we can get a little bigger bluegill. Literally, we haven't even caught a fish that's like even like half a pound yet, so maybe we gotta get something a little bigger. See, we're gonna head out probably like 30 minutes. So, oh, bites. Oh, did you guys hear that? I don't know if the mic picked that up. There was like a little splash or something. But like I was saying, we're probably gonna head out in a couple minutes here. I caught 4 fish. Last night I caught 1. Patrick didn't catch anything, but just to be fair, he did catch something 2 nights ago. I caught 6 fish 2 nights ago. Okay, there we go. Got him. Nice. I think this was the fish that was trolling you that whole time.
Hopefully it was. I'm about to cut his fucking neck though.
That's a little violent, I'd say. Alright, here we go.
Let me get at him.
Nah. We're not about that life. Bruh, chill.
I'm just playing. I don't kill fish.
Apparently I do.
Hi, buddies.
There we go. Don't touch them with your dry hands, it'll ruin their slime.
That's true. Never mind.
Look at that, guys. Pretty fish.
Small though.
Really small. All these are really small, but we're letting him go. Off he goes.
Dude, you know, just because he was trolling us, you know what you should do? You should just
Try to catch him again?
Yeah.
Well, I am definitely casting in that same spot again. See, Patrick, you wanted to leave.
That was our first action, like, at
Yeah, that was
an hour.
the first bit of anything in quite a while.
Real didn't look. Oh, you got bite.
Oh, as soon as I cast. That's the spot, man. That's where I caught like most of my fish a couple nights ago as well.
And then a little bit to the left.
Yeah. This is the prime spot right here. We found that for this pond, the prime times are within 7:45 p.m. to about 8:30 p.m. and 6 a.m. to about 7 a.m. So they're pretty small windows, but we found that we catch the most fish in those windows. But I'll hopefully see if we can't get one more before we head out here. I know that it's not the most exciting just catching these really small bluegill, but at least we are catching quite a bit of them. Oh, we should have got the thumbnail with one of those. I think I can take one of the... Oh, bites. Oh, didn't get him. Let's try that one more time.
Taking out the pliers or anything.
Yeah, I know. I literally haven't gotten out the pliers for one of these fish. I can just pull them out straight with my hand. If you guys are wondering, we're just using worms. Pretty simple. 4-line test. 4-pound test. Yeah, we're just using bobbers and worms. That's about it. It's all you really need to catch a bluegill, but
No weights.
bluegills are literally the easiest fish to catch in the world, I'd say. Yeah. See if we can't get one more real quick.
7:10. You want to leave in like 5 minutes?
Nah, once I catch this fish, we'll leave. Got him.
Alright, we're leaving. Bye.
Super small one. Just wet my hands real quick.
You just wet your hands.
They're dry. don't want to take the slime off these fish.
Oh,
That-
did they die, right?
Well, it damages them, I think.
Did your dad tell you that?
Yeah. Wow, that is a small one. Look at that, guys.
Jesus.
That
that's
is a
small.
small one. Look at that.
Dude, that thing's like not even 1/8 of a pound.
Probably not. Went right through his lip.
Ooh, that looks painful.
Alright, guys. There we go.
See ya, buddy.
6th catch of the day.
Can I just like touch him real quick?
Yeah.
Like- Nice.
That's the 6th catch, yeah?
Yep.
Alright, off you go, my dude.
See ya.
And my worm is completely gone
But that's okay.
because we're going to head out. Alright, guys, so we've been fishing for about 3 hours now. It's like 7:30 right now. I caught 6 fish, which is really cool. Hopefully those GoPro shots were okay, as like the whole neighborhood dogs just start barking. Thank you for that. Alright, but yeah, I caught like 6 fish. Patrick didn't catch anything, but it was still a really nice morning. Last night we weren't too successful. I only caught 1 fish, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you like these fishing videos. It's my first fishing video. Like I said, I'm not too good at it, but just wanted to try it out. Somebody suggested it on Instagram, so I tried it out. Yeah, but like I said, like, comment, subscribe. We're at 76 subs now. And also, be sure to go check out Patrick's gaming channel. I'll leave it in the description below. But we just made that. We've been working on that, so that's pretty cool too. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.